1. 1970 Chevrolet Nova. Price, $38,500, located Hodgenville, Kentucky. This beautifully restored 1970 Chevrolet Nova is a professionally rebuilt classic muscle car that combines dependable Chevrolet small block performance with timeless street cruiser styling and excellent road manners. Finished in a sharp blue exterior, this Nova underwent a complete frame-off restoration with nearly every component replaced or upgraded during the build. According to the seller, the paintwork was completed years ago before the restoration was fully assembled, while the remaining mechanical and interior components have less than 150 miles since completion. Under the hood sits a strong 355 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine fitted with aluminum angle plug cylinder heads and paired with a smooth shifting turbo 400 automatic transmission. The drivetrain also includes a 12-bolt rear end equipped with 2.73 gears, allowing comfortable interstate cruising speeds while maintaining strong performance capability. Additional upgrades include power steering, power disc brakes, bucket seats, center console, factory-style gauges, and an in-dash tachometer. The paint, interior, and underside are all described as being in excellent condition, while the car reportedly runs and drives fantastic overall. This Nova represents an outstanding opportunity for enthusiasts searching for a high-quality classic Chevrolet muscle car with fresh restoration work, dependable V8 power, and exceptional cruising comfort. 2. 1967 Chevrolet Classic Turbo LS. Price, $35,000, located Pataskala, Ohio. This professionally built 1967 Chevrolet Classic is a serious high-performance street and strip machine designed for massive turbocharged horsepower and aggressive drag racing capability. Finished in a striking orange exterior, this custom Chevrolet combines lightweight race engineering with modern LS power and advanced fuel management technology. Under the hood sits a turbocharged 5.3-liter LS engine paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission equipped with an extreme automatic second-gear leaf valve body for exceptional launch performance and reliable shifting under heavy power. The vehicle also features a VS 88mm turbocharger, Holley high ram intake system, air-to-water intercooler, and automotive fuel system designed to support high boost operation and dependable fuel delivery. The chassis includes a professionally installed Chris Alston back half kit for link rear suspension, fabricated 9-inch rear end with 3.73 gears, and Smith Rassicraft front suspension setup for improved traction and handling. Additional upgrades include Holley Dominator engine management and Motion Raceworks shifter assembly. This Chevrolet is an excellent opportunity for racers or enthusiasts searching for a professionally engineered turbocharged muscle car with serious performance capability and aggressive custom styling. 3. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro race car. Price, $35,000, located El Dorado, Illinois. This professionally built 1968 Chevrolet Camaro race car is a full-tube chassis drag machine engineered for serious quarter-mile competition and outstanding track performance. Built with high-quality racing components throughout, this Camaro is powered by a rear Morrison 540 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine with fewer than 60 passes since completion. The powerful engine is paired with a Powerglide transmission featuring an aftermarket racing case designed for durability under extreme horsepower conditions. The drivetrain also includes a high-end Mark Williams bolt-through rear-end assembly that provides excellent strength and reliability during hard launches and high-speed passes. Fuel delivery is handled by a new Get M methanol carburetor along with a MagnaFuel 500 fuel pump system designed specifically for consistent race operation. The lightweight body setup includes fiberglass front-end components, fiberglass doors, and fiberglass deck lid to reduce overall vehicle weight and improve performance. Additional upgrades include all new K and R wiring along with a Z-Force Pro Cube delay box. According to the seller, the car consistently runs strong 5-second passes and is completely race-ready. This Camaro is an exceptional turnkey drag racing package for serious performance enthusiasts. 4. 1971 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe. Price, $34,000, located Lenoir City, Tennessee. This professionally built 1971 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe is an aggressive street and strip machine designed for serious drag racing performance while still maintaining functional street car features and classic second-generation Camaro styling. Finished in a sleek black exterior with matching black interior, this Camaro combines steel roof and quarter panels with lightweight fiberglass body sections engineered to fit with extremely tight body gaps and professional appearance. The chassis is built around a strong Smith Brothers subframe setup featuring adjustable strange coil-over suspension, ladder bar rear suspension, and fabricated 9-inch rear end equipped with aggressive 4.56 gears for hard-launching drag strip performance. Power comes from a professionally built 425 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine running on gasoline and paired with a race-prepared drivetrain capable of impressive quarter-mile times. Additional upgrades include MSD programmable ignition system, painless wiring harness, Denver delay box, and functioning lights that allow the car to maintain street car characteristics. The vehicle has also received fresh professional paintwork and remains in excellent condition overall. This Camaro represents an outstanding opportunity for racers searching for a professionally engineered drag car with aggressive styling and proven performance capability. 5. 1964 Chevrolet Nova SS. Price, $34,000, located Lowell, Indiana. This beautifully built 1964 Chevrolet Nova SS is a powerful classic muscle car that combines authentic super sport styling with serious small block Chevrolet performance and high-quality suspension upgrades throughout the build. Finished in an eye-catching red exterior with a black interior, this Nova delivers aggressive vintage muscle car personality along with modern handling improvements and dependable street performance. Under the hood sits a professionally built 406 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine completed in 2021 and equipped with Brodix aluminum cylinder heads for strong horsepower and excellent throttle response. The engine is paired with a legendary Muncie M21 4-speed manual transmission that provides an authentic muscle car driving experience. According to the seller, the engine was dyno tested at approximately 460 horsepower, making this Nova a very strong street performer. Additional upgrades include QA1 coilover shocks, checkered racing front suspension components, Auburn positraction differential with 3.55 Yukon gears, and new leaf springs and bushings for improved ride quality and traction. The interior remains in excellent condition and includes a Bluetooth stereo system. This Nova SS is an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts searching for a professionally built 4-speed Chevrolet muscle car with strong performance and timeless classic styling. 6. 1965 Ford Falcon. Price, $25,000, located St. John, Indiana. This beautifully customized 1965 Ford Falcon is a classic American street machine that combines timeless compact muscle styling with dependable V8 performance and high-quality suspension upgrades throughout the build. Finished in a vibrant red exterior with a fully custom tan leather interior, this Falcon delivers a clean, aggressive appearance while maintaining the authentic personality of a mid-60s Ford performance car. Under the hood sits a mildly built Ford 289 V8 engine equipped with upgraded headwork, performance intake, exhaust system, and aluminum radiator for improved cooling and dependable street performance. The engine is paired with a desirable 4-speed top-loader manual transmission that delivers an engaging driving experience and authentic muscle car feel. Additional upgrades include 3.73 rear gears with positraction setup, adjustable coilover suspension, tubular control arms, power steering, and front disc brakes for improved handling and stopping capability. According to the seller, the car can comfortably be driven anywhere and remains mechanically dependable overall. The body retains all factory metal with extremely clean floor pans and solid structure. This Falcon represents an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts searching for a stylish vintage Ford with manual transmission performance and strong street cruising capability. 7. 1965 Plymouth Belvedere. Price, $22,000, located Highland, Indiana. This classic 1965 Plymouth Belvedere is a powerful Mopar muscle car that combines legendary big block performance with timeless mid-60s styling and aggressive street machine personality. Finished in a bold orange exterior with a black interior, this Belvedere delivers unmistakable vintage Mopar character and strong road presence that stands out at local car shows and cruising events. Under the hood sits a powerful 440 cubic inch Chrysler V8 engine paired with a 727 automatic transmission equipped with a full manual valve body for firm performance shifting and enhanced driver control during aggressive acceleration. The drivetrain also includes a positraction rear-end setup that improves traction and overall performance capability. The body retains the clean straight lines that made the Belvedere one of the most recognizable performance cars of its era, while the upgraded drivetrain transforms the vehicle into a serious street machine with strong acceleration and dependable power delivery. This Plymouth remains an excellent opportunity for collectors or enthusiasts searching for an authentic vintage Mopar muscle car with legendary big block performance, classic styling, and outstanding cruising potential for weekend driving and local events. 8. 1970 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe. Price, $17,000, located Weirton, West Virginia. This custom 1970 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe is a solid second-generation muscle car that combines dependable small-block Chevrolet power with modern suspension upgrades and classic American street machine styling. Finished in a unique purple exterior with a black interior, this Camaro delivers strong visual appeal and timeless muscle car personality while remaining a dependable cruiser for regular driving enjoyment. Under the hood sits a reliable Chevrolet 350 V8 engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission for smooth shifting performance and comfortable highway cruising capability. Additional upgrades include QA1 front coilover suspension, Dakota digital gauge cluster, aftermarket dashboard, aftermarket audio system designed with factory-inspired appearance, and American racing wheels fitted with newer tires. According to the seller, the car runs and drives well overall but currently has a transmission leak that may require attention. Despite that issue, the Camaro remains a strong running project with excellent potential for continued customization or restoration improvements. The vehicle has been stored carefully and rarely driven in recent years, preserving its overall condition. This Camaro is an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts searching for an affordable classic Chevrolet muscle car with upgraded suspension, V8 performance, and unmistakable 70s styling. 9. 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe. Price, $18,500, located Prospect, Ohio. This classic 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe is a beautifully maintained first-generation Mustang that combines timeless American styling with dependable V8 performance and authentic vintage driving character. Finished in a striking green exterior with a tan pony interior, this Mustang delivers the iconic appearance that made the early Mustang one of the most celebrated muscle cars in automotive history. Under the hood sits a reliable Ford 289 V8 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission that provides an engaging driving experience and strong classic muscle car personality. Performance upgrades include dual Flowmaster exhaust system and headers that improve both sound and engine breathing while enhancing the aggressive character of the vehicle. The seller states that the floor pans and quarter panels remain solid overall, while the original trunk mat and spare tire are still present, helping preserve the authentic vintage atmosphere of the car. Additional factory-style features include rally pack gauges mounted on the steering column along with many original air conditioning components included with the sale. This Mustang Coupe is an excellent opportunity for collectors or enthusiasts searching for a dependable classic Ford with strong V8 performance and timeless American muscle styling. 10. 1980 Chevrolet Malibu Classic. Price, $16,500, located Cynthiana, Kentucky. This custom 1980 Chevrolet Malibu Classic is a powerful turbocharged street machine that combines aggressive G-body styling with modern LS performance and dependable daily driving capability. Finished in a clean blue exterior with matching blue interior, this Malibu delivers classic Chevrolet muscle car personality while featuring a professionally assembled single turbocharged drivetrain setup. Under the hood sits a Gen 3 5.3-liter Chevrolet V8 engine equipped with a GT45 turbocharger, sloppy Stage 2 camshaft, upgraded valve springs, aftermarket pushrods, and Holley Terminator X Max engine management system for precise tuning and dependable operation. The drivetrain also includes a professionally built TH350 automatic transmission with Hughes 3200 stall converter for improved launch performance and strong acceleration. Additional performance upgrades include Hooker turbo headers, upgraded wastegate and blow-off valve setup, fiberglass hood, fiberglass front bumper, and 3.42 rear gearing with upgraded posi-traction differential. According to the seller, the vehicle has never been raced on a dyno or drag strip because it is driven regularly on the street and remains highly dependable overall. This Malibu Classic is an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts searching for a modern turbocharged Chevrolet muscle car with strong street performance and aggressive custom styling. 11. 1966 Chevrolet Impala. Price, $10,000, located Hammond, Indiana. This custom 1966 Chevrolet Impala is a modernized full-size classic that combines timeless 60s Chevrolet styling with reliable LS power and upgraded suspension components for improved street performance and drivability. Finished in a clean white exterior with a black interior, this Impala delivers an aggressive custom appearance while retaining the unmistakable body lines that made the mid-60s Chevrolet models legendary among American car enthusiasts. Under the hood sits a low-mileage GM Goodwrench remanufactured 6.0-liter LS engine paired with a durable 4L80E automatic transmission for smooth shifting and dependable highway performance. The engine setup also includes a Choppa-Cobra camshaft, sheet metal intake system, headers, and full 3-inch exhaust system that provide stronger airflow and aggressive muscle car sound. Additional upgrades include Holley Terminator X-Max engine management, QA1 coilover suspension, tubular front control arms, Yukon Positraction rear differential with 3.36 gears, and large ESR wheels that complete the modern pro touring appearance. This Impala offers excellent value for enthusiasts searching for a dependable LS-swapped classic Chevrolet with strong performance capability and aggressive custom styling. 12. 1978 Chevrolet Nova. Price, $10,000, located Chillicothe, Illinois. This 1978 Chevrolet Nova is a solid classic street machine project that combines dependable small-block Chevrolet power with extensive restoration work already completed and excellent future customization potential. Finished in a blue exterior with a black interior, this Nova retains the aggressive late 70s Chevrolet styling while featuring numerous mechanical and cosmetic upgrades completed by the current owner. Under the hood sits a reliable Chevrolet 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, while the engine has reportedly been removed and refreshed during the current build process. The body has received major restoration improvements including new quarter panels, new driver's side floor pan, updated grille, new taillights, and upgraded rear leaf springs with new shocks. According to the seller, the trunk floor and frame remain solid overall with no major rust issues present. Interior upgrades include new carpet, front seats, and door panels, although the cabin still requires additional finishing work such as headliner and heater controls. Despite being originally stripped for drag racing use, the car now runs and drives well enough for local cruising and car show appearances. This Nova is an excellent affordable classic Chevrolet project with strong restoration potential and dependable V8 performance.